In Ivory Coast, many low-income families struggle to access quality healthcare services such as maternity. Equally, there is insufficient capacity of local doctors, nurses, surgeons and anaesthetists to serve in the various hospital settings. Over recent years, the population of Abidjan has grown rapidly and there are pockets of poverty such as Abobo where the population is underserved for healthcare. With the guidance and prayers of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih al-Khamis, may Allah be his helper, Humanity First started making plans for the Masroor Centre for Healthcare. The search for a suitable site began in 2013 and eventually this location in Yopougon-Jesco to the northwest of Abidjan was chosen. The site is on the main highway leading out to Bouaké and is in a growing population area suitable to attract private patients. Building on the Nasser Hospital in Guatemala, which was launched in 2018, this centre will also look to attract private patients to then subsidise care for those who wouldn't be able to afford it. The centre will also help to train the next generation of clinicians in Ivory Coast, which will benefit the country and the region of West Africa, and work began on the design in 2017. Gradually, the ground was compacted in phases by 2020, ready for construction. Through 2021, a perimeter wall was built to mark the boundary of the site. Soil testing was conducted and work began on the infrastructure for the hospital. In recent months, the design has been approved and so we are ready to begin the build phase. And so it was on Saturday the 27th of November 2021 that our local Humanity First team in Ivory Coast were joined by senior colleagues from the UK, USA and Canada for the foundation stone ceremony. The stone itself was sourced from Guardian and blessed by Hazur, may Allah be his helper, before being placed at the foundations of the new hospital. Dr. Shabir Bhatti, the Vice Chairman of Humanity First International, attended as the representative of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih, may Allah be his helper. The teams in Canada and the UK are spearheading fundraising efforts to drive the construction and equipping of the hospital and will need all the help they can get from our generous donors.
We seem to have at least reached a point where we think that Allah is now really going to help us. There was a time period when we were not sure whether this hospital will ever come to fruition. But with Hazur's prayers and his attention, we are now able to see the effect of these prayers. We have laid the foundation stone, which looked so improbable just 1 year ago.
It's like a dream come true. This hospital will not only serve the local community, but we hope that it will go beyond and serve the whole country and even parts of the some of the neighboring countries. It is going to be a 30-bed facility to start with 4 basic specialties and added on later with urology, cardiology and gastroenterology. It will be supported by a full diagnostic center and other services.
I'm very excited today. It is truly amazing to see the dream coming true with the first brick laid down today. Our Canadian donors are really excited to serve people of Ivory Coast through this state-of-the-art Masroor Center for Healthcare with the guidance from Sayyidina Hazrat Khalifatul Masih al-Khamis Sayyidina bin Rasulidis, who has a special passion for and a special love for people of Africa. We are looking forward to a very high quality medical and surgical facility that will serve the people in this local population and in the nearby areas by very qualified medical professionals.
We are very blessed that this has taken place. Over the last 2 years we've been under the COVID cloud, but now is the real work going to start.
It has been a very unique occasion here to join everybody for the foundation stone laying of the Masroor Centre for Healthcare. And I hope and pray that this centre goes to fulfill the humanitarian healthcare needs for patients not only in the Yopougon area but for people across Côte d'Ivoire.